Irene Bayer of the fam here. Welcome to another My Therabox opening. And as you can see, here is My Therabox that came in for June. Now, you can get the My Therabox from mytherabox.com, which is right there. Get it focused. There we go. Or you can get it from cratejoy.com. Now, this is a subscription box, and they do have different levels. I have the month-to-month level because sometimes I travel, and I like to be here to get the box. So that's why I do it month-to-month. It is a subscription box that's made and curated by mental health therapists, and it's what they call a self-love box. And if you watched any of my openings, the reason why they call it self-love is because it's ways to pamper yourself. Okay, and this one is just for females, by the way. So let's see what's inside. Well, the first thing you get when you get in is the Nourish book. That's what this theme is about, is Nourish. Okay, and when you open it, it shows you how you can get a free My Therabox or a bonus. Now, also inside, you'll see the different things that's in this month's Therabox. And you get a book like this every month with your Therabox. Now, let's see what's inside. Well, right off the bat, when I take that off, you get a hydrocellular, I can't say this. It's a skin mask. It's deep, nourishing, luminous, and rejuvenating. It says, I am worthy, I am complete, I am enough. And here's the front of the mask, and here's the back with instructions. Now, I do like a lot of their face masks. I do use them. These do help your skin. I've had a lot of friends ask me how come my skin is always so soft. And the answer is because I use the products from My Therabox. They have excellent products. Their face mask is beautiful for the skin. Plus, I make my own soaps. Okay, so let's get into the next thing we have here. Now, this is a face-off cloth, wet, wipe, and wash. The ultimate cleansing cloth. And see if I can show you the front. That's the front. Okay, and you can see the cloth right here where my finger is. Okay, and it says Face Off is a reusable super soft cloth that is specially designed to remove all eye and face makeup without any additional cleansing agents, just with water. So this will probably, I'm not going to say whether it is or not. I don't wear makeup. So one guess, this may be in one of the mystery boxes that I put together. Next, we have Aurora from Earth Harbor. Superfood Luminance Info. Purely retrust element, and it shows here. And it gives you directions on what to do. And it is sealed. So I'm going to break the seal just so I can show you it, but I'm not going to open up the other thing, just the box seal, so I can show you what it looks like. Now, they usually do different things every month. They never put the same product in, but they do put similar type of products in sometimes. So that's why I'm able to put together my own mystery boxes with some of the things that I make, and plus some of the things that extra here because I have one or two of the similar type item already. So this is what it looks like, guys. Right here. Get the label to focus. There we go. And that's that. Now I'm going to reclose it back up. And we're going to see what else we have in here. In here we have Stress Reduction Essentials. And it's a card game. And guys, a lot of my card games that I have came from here, or a place called Play Store that deals with mental health items. So these here will go over with my other games right over there. So right now we're going to put it there. So we'll have plenty of card games, which this Saturday I'm going back to my lives. And next thing we have in here is called Riddle. This, I can't read it, guys, so forgive me for that. Because of my poor eyesight and it's tiny print for me, I can't read what it says completely. So that's why I kind of show the products instead of just reading about them, because I cannot read what it says. It's too tiny. Now, I'm trying to get it out. It is in there nice and tight. Here we go. And it says Poppy. Now, I'm taking a guess. Okay, it's a roll-on. So, it's a poppy scent to help relieve stress. Which these do work. I do have a lavender one that I got before that I still use quite frequently. Okay, so now we go over here. This box, by the way, they pack these boxes with over $100 of value. It's more like almost $200 worth of value, guys. So you're getting your money's worth with it, with each box. Now this here is 100% soy candle with healing stones. Okay, so you can see there. And it's from Willow Collective, and it has writing there. And there's a Willow Collective. Now, I have used their candles before. I do like them. And I recycle the tins afterwards for other things. You know, when the candle's done, you clean it out, and you can recycle it. And this is a candle. And there you can see with the healing stones in there. Like I said, and it smells nice too, guys. I like the smell of them. Oh yeah, nice pretty scent. Refreshing smell. I'm going to put this back in here. And then we're going to put it back in the box. Like I said, I am not getting paid or anything. This is not promotional. I just enjoy my Therabox. So yes, I am going to shout them to the moon and back. And then you have strengthening. Nail and cuticle serum. For like me, I have weak nails. That's why I have short nails. Not to mention the fact that when I had my teeth, I had, because of stress and nerves, I would bite my nails all the time. And I have sensitive skin. So, a scratch, when I get a scratch, it looks like a welt at first. But here is a strengthening serum. As you can see. I'm going to bring it close so you can see. There you go. And that's for your nails. So they cover every part, your mind, your body, your spirit. They always have a lot of good stuff in these boxes. And now we're going to go to the next item in here. It says craft certified cruelty free, which all their products are. None of their products are made from any type of animals. It's all cruelty free. And this is Real Her I Am Beautiful Full Volume Mascara. Now, I don't normally use mascara like I said. Once in a while, I may wear makeup, but 99% of the times I don't. And this is what the mascara looks like. Big tube. So you see they have a lot of different things in here. And I'm sure that's not it. We're going to check. Well, that's it this time, guys. But that is everything from the My Therabox, guys. Now, I'm not going to keep you hanging while I'm just going to put some of these in here, like so. And we're going to move on. So I'm going to put these in. And then cover that. We'll put the candle here. I have 2 boxes already in my bathroom. I try to consolidate them into one, because it's a lot easier. So, there you go. That's June's My Therabox. Very well worth the money, guys. And like I said, if you're curious, check them out. It's a great subscription service. They have lots to offer. I do love them. If you're a guy and you know a female that likes it, you can also give it as a gift, which means you can give it one time, and then if they like it, they can subscribe to it on whatever level they like. But there you go. There is June's My Therabox. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this My Therabox opening, and I hope to see you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section on what you think about the My Therabox, or if you would like me to do anything else. And until I see you again, remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes, because what truly counts, the eyes can't see, only the heart can. So, love you. Bye.